Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is heavy, heavier, heaviest. Listen carefully. An object that have a lot of weight is known as heavy. If we compare weight of two objects, the object having more weight referred as heavier. If we compare weight of more than two objects, the objects having more weight than all is known as heaviest. Look at the picture. The cupboard is heaviest. The table is heavier than the box, and the box is heavy. Again, the cupboard is heaviest than all. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.